It's time to learn, repair, and maintain everything coffee. Instructional videos brought to you by WholeLatteLove.com.
Hi, my name is Todd from Whole Latte Love. Today we're going to take a look at what to do if your machine is not heating up. First thing you want to do is check to see if you have a light on your display. So if your display is not lit, that'll mean either you're out of water in your reservoir, which I'm going to simulate here. So let's say there's no water in there. That'll shut everything off. Or you have a water line connection hookup and you're not set to water line in here. So right now it's reservoir. But if there was no reservoir, then you'd have to switch this over to the water line. So we're going to proceed under the assumption that you have that this light is on, but the machine is still not heating. So we're going to check the high limits on the boilers. Take the cup warmer cover off. We'll take the reservoir out, place it somewhere where it won't accidentally spill over and go all over the counter. Then we use a 2.5 millimeter Allen wrench, and we'll take off these 4 screws. Exciting, isn't this?
Taking the screws out, always lots of fun.
Yeah. Taking the screws out, 101. Get a T-handled one, right, instead of this. How about that?
Yeah, where is your T-handle?
Yeah, it's gone. Okay, top comes off. Oh, also, let's make sure the machine is unplugged. So I'm going to do that right now. Not just turned off, but actually unplug it.
Don't want to get electrocuted.
No. You make a funny noise, and that's never good.
I hear it smells a lot, too.
Yeah, it tickles. Okay, so you look inside the boiler, inside the machine. On the right side, we have the steam boiler. On the left side, we have the brew boiler. The brew boiler heats before the steam boiler. So if the brew boiler never heats, the steam boiler won't. So you see these 2 black wires, these 2 blue wires. See there's a switch in between. Push on that switch right there. And if it trips, you'll hear a click when you push it down. So do that one. And come over to this other one over here. Push on that one. Don't have to push hard, but a firm push. And then for the fun of it, while you're over there, check these also. So push on there and on there.
So there's 2 on each boiler, then?
Correct.
Here, and these are all fine. These are not tripped.
These are not tripped.
So they'd be popped up a little bit, and you'd feel them move if you pushed on them?
Exactly. So that will probably take care of it. Now the reason these would trip is on a brand new machine, the boilers are empty. When you turn the machine on, the steam boiler will automatically fill itself. It has a board that controls that and a probe in the steam boiler. But the brew boiler has to be filled by raising the lever up. If you don't raise the lever up, the brew boiler doesn't fill, the heat element goes on, overheats, and it trips those high limits. Fortunately, it doesn't seem to damage the heating element, which is nice. So it's safe. You're not going to kill it, but we highly, highly recommend as soon as you get the machine, raise the lever up. The steam boiler will fill by itself. The brew boiler will fill. When water comes out of the brew group at a full stream, then you know that the boiler is full and you should be all set. But if you do have that problem, you want us to reset the high limits, that's how you do it, and that should take care of the problem. If they click and it heats up, then you're all good to go. So, Todd from Whole Latte Love, that's how you reset the high limits on the Pro 700.
Hey, why not subscribe now for easy free access to more videos on everything coffee brought to you by WholeLatteLove.com.